fully loaded with gear right now. The forest is so flooded you could just push it out of your way, which is that's how you bust through. Just go right over the top of those logs. Yeah, this whole forest, it's just flooded. I can't even get to the shoreline anywhere. I'm gonna be stuck in the boat. I'll find a low-lying place eventually to get out and stretch my legs, but it's gonna be a lot fewer places like that. We've had a lot of rain and the water's up, so I think it's beautiful when it's like this, and you see all more animals. I'm further into the woods because the water's that much higher. So what used to be a little tiny channel is now a big, huge creek that I can navigate up and down. I just have a couple more log jams to break through, and we'll be home free. We are here out on the water with Mr. Turtle. He's full and fed, full of all kinds of good stuff to sustain me for a couple days out here in this beautiful flooded wilderness. So right now the winds out on the lake are blowing about 20-25 miles an hour. So I'm back here in this little creek area, busting through these log jams. And it's nice and calm and beautiful back in here. Out on the lake, it's white capping and dangerous. I've got a heavy load full of gear. And we're just waiting on sunset. Hopefully be able to bring you some beautiful pictures. All right, break's over. Time to paddle, folks. It's not even a creek anymore. It's just a flooded forest. It's pretty cool. I seen a big old snake about 10 minutes ago. Didn't have my camera on, which is why it's on now. Because it was probably one of the biggest snakes I've ever seen swimming across the water. I don't know what kind it was. Look at this. I just, like I said, we're basically in the woods at this point. Navigating our way through the woods and the trees. My goodness. I'm still about a quarter mile away from the open water. It's pretty windy back here. Check for snakes. Here. Oh. Guess that knocked us down, didn't it? Darn. Yeah, up close, look at how flooded it is. Usually this is the shoreline right here. But the water goes another 20 feet back into the woods. It's really high. Well, something just came up from behind me on this ridge and was sniffing real loud like the way a dog would sniff. But I never saw it. Good morning.